Hello ladies, gentlemen, everyone in between, and none of the above, welcome back to We Love Your Deck. For today's archetypal analysis, we'll be going over Snow as a deck archetype. Printed originally in Cold Snap, Snow is a supertype that's used to identify the cards that are tied to quite literally being covered in snow and frost. Many activated abilities on Snow permanents are paid through Snow mana, which is often only able to be paid by snow sources found on specialized snow lands and mana rocks and dorks. For much of the supertype, it is predominantly in green and blue mana but also in black as well. Snow doesn't have a huge selection of commanders, but we have some to pick from, like Jorn, God of Winter, who, when he attacks, will untap all snow permanents you control, and his reverse side, Cauldring, the Rhymestaff, will allow you to play a snow permanent from your graveyard. Then there's Isu the Abominable, who will allow you to play snow lands and snow spells on the top of your library. Then when a snow permanent enters under your control, you can pay a green, a blue, or a white to put a +1/+1 on Isu. Snow doesn't have some interesting cards like Marit Lage's Slumber that checks to see if you have 10 or more snow permanents, and if you have 10 or more, it will sacrifice itself and make a Marit Lage token. And for a board wipe, Dead of Winter will give all non-snow creatures XX, where X is how many snow permanents you have. Along with Moriet of the Frost, who enters as a legendary snow copy of anything you control, and if it copies a creature, also enters with 2+1/+1 counters on it. Just because Snow is limited doesn't mean it can't finish off the game with Orin Frostfang giving your attacking creatures death touch as well as drawing you a card whenever they deal damage to a creature. For a power and toughness boost, Narfi, Betrayer King, will give your snow creatures +1/+1. For a massive beater, Abominable Treefolk gets bigger for each snow permanent you control and also temporarily stuns a creature an opponent controls. And that sums up Snow as an archetype fairly well, so we're going to end it there. Since you got this far, why not give me a follow? And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side, Planeswalkers. And remember, be good to each other.